Rocket Lab has collapsed minus 10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, June 13th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Investors are selectively buying in some sectors while reducing exposure in others. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.50% at $7,431.46. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.64%. at $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.70% to $51,202. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. DAX is little changed, hovering near $24,210. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 is up plus 1.63%, trading at $10,472. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin buy what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 10.79% to $102.39. Equity markets are responding to reports that Virgin Galactic craters 24%, Rocket Lab drops 8%, as SpaceMobile falls 10% as SpaceX hype triggers a space stock shakeout, 24/7 Wall St. Samsung surged plus 7.86% to $322,500 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. BHP made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.50% to $62.93. Investor sentiment is being shaped by BHP made more money from copper than iron ore for the first time ever, Finimize. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin buy what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $86.71 per barrel, down 4.06% on the session. The move follows reports that our stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude plunged to $84.29 per barrel, down 3.9% on the session. The move follows reports that our stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas climbed to $3.14, up 1.75% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,239.90 per troy ounce, up 3.66% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. The technical picture for Rocket Lab has deteriorated. The $96.25 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.32% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.34% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.13, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to European weapons used against India. US urged Russian oil purchases after Ukraine war. Jaishankar, ETV Bharat. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.